Hi guys, how you doing? In today's video I would like to show you how to create simple AI receptionist using ElevenLabs and n8n. In today's video I'm going to show you step by step how to create simple AI receptionist that can book a table, create an event in calendar, add a record in your CRM, send a message, and send a confirmation text message to your client. First of all, let me show you how it works. Here's my agent in ElevenLabs, and here's workflow in n8n. Let's test it.
Hey, I'm Isabella. How can I help you today?
Hi, I would like to book a table.
Certainly. May I know the date you'd like to make the reservation for?
Let's say Friday at 8 p.m.
Got it, Friday at 8 p.m. Could you please tell me the number of guests for the reservation?
12 people.
Okay, so that's a table for 12 on Friday at 8 p.m. May I have the name for the reservation, please?
My name is John.
Thank you, John. Could you also provide a contact phone number for the reservation?
765-567-891.
Thank you, John. Just to confirm, you would like to book a table for 12 guests on Friday at 8 p.m., and the contact phone number is 765-567-891. Does that sound right?
Yes.
Your table for 12 on Friday at 8 p.m. is all set, John. We'll keep that reservation ready for you. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, thank you. Okay, as you can see, our AI agent created event, append a row in Google Sheets, send a message, and send a message in Telegram. Now let's see. In Google Sheets we have reservation, John, 12 people, October 17, 8 p.m. We also have it in Google Calendar. In my inbox I have an email. New reservation, October 17, 8 p.m. with details. Let's also look at Telegram. On Telegram I also have your reservation for 12 people on October 17, 2025 at 8 p.m. is confirmed. Okay, so now let me show you how I build it. First, we're gonna start with ElevenLabs. This is the main dashboard. Make sure that you are in Agents platform, not Creative platform. Then click Agents. Here you can create new agent. Just type new, just click it. You can choose between business and personal. I'm gonna use business. Here we can choose industry. I'm gonna choose food and beverages. Use case, scheduling. And here you can name your AI agent and just click create AI and just click create agent. My AI agent is here, support agent, and it looks like this. Language is English. First message: hi, I'm Isabella, how can I help you today? I also have checked disable interruptions during first message. System prompt. System prompt is probably one of the most important things here. As you can see, mine is pretty long, but you can generate something similar using ChatGPT or Gemini. You just need to describe what you want your AI agent to do. This one I generated using Gemini. You can pause this video and see what's inside. I'm not gonna talk about this right now. Temperature, I use 0.25. Here I have end call, and I also added custom webhook reservations. which I use to connect my AI agent in ElevenLabs with n8n. Then here you can choose your voice. I use Laura. And pretty much that's it when it comes to ElevenLabs. Now I'm going to show you what I have in n8n. In n8n, of course, I use webhook as a trigger. Then I use edit fields to take data from webhook. I use phone number, I use name, I use number as a number of people, and I use start date time when I take data from when I take date and I take time and I make it to look like this. Next, I have create an event, and I just have my calendar and I create an event. I also add a description and summary to make sure that my data in calendar it looks like this. I have John, 12 people, and in description I have phone number and date. Next, I have append a row. I use it as an example to show you that you can update info in your CRM. I just have documents, reservation, sheet 1, and I map each column manually. I have a date, name, number of people, and phone number. And in Google Sheets, it looks like this. Date, name, people, phone number. Next, I send a message. I use it as an example to show you that when AI agent creates an event and your client makes a reservation, it automatically can send you a message, can send you an email to let you know that action like this happened. And this email looks like this. New reservation, October 17, time, and here I have all details like date, name, number of people, and contact phone number. And I also use Telegram as an example to show you that you can use it to send a confirmation message to client, telling him that his reservation is confirmed. And the message looks like this. Your reservation for 12 people on October 17, 2025 at 8 p.m. is confirmed. Here's the details of this note. The operations and message chat is just my chat ID. Text, your reservation for, I just take data from edit fields and I drag and drop it right here. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope that now you have idea how you can create your own AI agents using ElevenLabs and n8n. See you in next video.